Today we are going to discuss about a horse. It's not a normal horse, it's a Trojan horse. Welcome back to another brand new episode of Hackzmaroo Tips and Tricks. Hi friends, here I am with the second part of Malware series, that is Trojan. If you have missed out the first part of Malware series, then you can click here, or you can also find the link in the description of this video. According to Greek mythology, Greek won the war by entering into the fortified city of Troy, hiding a huge hollow wooden horse. Just like the Greek Trojan horse, computer Trojans look something genuine that you will download and install. Also, it can help other malicious programs to install into your system. But what makes it unique is the backdoor they create. Over the few minutes, you will learn about what is a Trojan, why attackers use Trojans, how it affects user computer, wrappers and Trojan countermeasures. Before getting started, make sure you hit the subscription and the bell icon so that you will not miss any upcoming videos. So what is a Trojan? A computer Trojan is defined as a malicious program that breaches the security of a computer system. Trojans will hide within seemingly harmless program or will try to trick you into installing it. Trojans do not replicate by infecting other files or computers. Instead, they just survive by going unnoticed. They may sit quietly in your computer by collecting information like username and password, or setting up a hole in your security, or they just may take over your computer and lock you out. As I said, it can help other malicious programs to install into your system. But what makes it unique is the backdoor it creates. So what does a Trojan look like? Well, Trojans can look like just about anything. The computer game you downloaded from a strange website, or a software you download from a strange website, or the free MP3 song that you like. Even an advertisement might try to install something on your computer. Some Trojans are specially designed to trick you into using them. They can mislead or try to convince you they are the legitimate application. Tricking you in this way is called social engineering, because the criminal design a situation to make you act against your interest. Maybe we can make another video about social engineering. Let us know if you guys are interested in the comment section. So what do Trojans do? Trojan enter into victim's computer without the knowledge of victim and will help attackers to granting unrestricted access to the data stored on the victim computer and causing serious damage to the victim system. Many online criminals choose Trojans, and also they can go unnoticed. Trojan horse work on the same level of privileges what the victim user has. If the victim had the privileges, Trojan can delete files, transmit informations, modify existing files, and install other programs. What is the purpose of a Trojan, or why attackers use Trojan? Let us see some common actions that Trojan take. Deleting or replacing operating system critical files, disabling firewall or antivirus, generating fake traffic to create a DOS attack, creating a backdoor so that attacker can access the victim system from a remote location, download spyware, adware and other malicious files, use victim PC as a proxy server for relaying attacks, record screenshot, audio, video of victim system, use victim system as a botnet to perform DDoS attacks, stealing information such as password, security codes, credit card information by using keyloggers, and using victim PC for spamming and blasting email messages, and many more. Here are some indications of Trojan attacks. CD-ROM open and close by itself, abnormal activity of network, modem, etc. Browser redirection, unauthorized access to your personal accounts, appearing strange chat boxes, strange purchase statement appear in your credit card bills, documents or messages printed from printer themselves, getting complaint from ISP, function of right and left mouse are reversed, and people know too much personal information about a victim. Wrappers. Attackers use wrappers to combine both genuine executable or a software with a malicious program so that victims are unaware of malicious program. Now let's see a demo. In this demonstration, we are not showing how to create a Trojan. Instead, we are just showing how it works from both victim and attacker point of view. Because as per the terms and condition of YouTube, we are not supposed to show that. So let's start. In this demonstration, right side of the screen consider as a attacker machine and left side of the screen consider as a victim machine. Here you can see an exe file. This is a genuine exe file, one of my favorite media player. With the help of wrappers, I combined a malicious code into this exe file. When the victim opens this exe file, initially it will open as a normal genuine application, but simultaneously in the background it will execute the Trojan. So let's see how it's working. Let's double click on that exe file. Now it is asking the permission, just clicking yes, and it started installing the player. And the same time you can see after few seconds the right side attacker panel is enabled. That means attacker got a connection to the victim. Now victim will install the application with the usual process. Now application is installed. It looks like normal, nothing suspicious from the victim side. But in the attacker side, we just double click on the panel and here you can see many options. You can get the system information and you can do some fun with the victim. You can click the hide desktop button and all the desktop icon will be hidden. If I click the show desktop, it will come back. Similarly, there are many options like hide clock, hide task icons, hide taskbar, and open CD-ROM, close CD-ROM, etc. Also, we can send message boxes to the victim. Also, we can chat with the victim with a chat box. And then there is Windows list and we can install some remote shell. We can get the what is the IP address. It's just like a command prompt. You can install any remote script, HTML, batch, VB scripts. Or you can open the file manager and you can access the files on the hard disk. Also, attackers can get your saved passwords in your system. And the interesting thing is there are spying functions. That means attacker can capture the victim webcam or microphone, or even attacker can make a remote desktop connection to the victim. And also there is a keylogger. With the help of keyloggers, we can get all the keystrokes typed by victim. Also, we can restart the server or close the server, uninstall the server. Even we can power off the system or restart the system, log off the system, and there are many other functions. Thereby, an attacker can get each and every information of a victim. Finally, these are some of the countermeasures of Trojan. That is how we protect ourselves against Trojan. Avoid opening email attachments received from unknown senders. Block all unnecessary ports at the host and firewall. Avoid accepting program transferred by instant messaging. Harden weak default configuration settings. Disable unuseful functionality including protocols and services. And monitoring the internal network traffic for odd ports or encrypted traffic. I hope you guys enjoyed this session. Feel free to ask any queries in the comment section. Until see you next time, Hackzmaroo is signing off. Goodbye.